Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off this spa day at home by drinking one of my favorite drinks, which is hot chocolate. I'm using one of the cocoa bombs that I saved over the holidays, and this drink just makes me feel relaxed and so calm. So I'm just going to sit down, read a book while I enjoy my drink. Now I'm moving on to doing my nails. I start off by prepping the nails by pushing back the cuticles, filing the nails, and dehydrating the nails. I also add some primer and then some nail glue, cure that underneath my UV light, and then I go ahead and add some glue to my fake nails and I adhere that, and then I go on and paint the nails. When my nails are done, I am just in a good mood. Like my energy level just goes through the roof. I'm feeling myself, so I definitely had to start off this spa day at home with my nails first. Now that my nails are done, I definitely have to do the toes so they can look cute too. I'm doing a pink French tip today because what is better than a pink French tip? So I'm just going to paint my toes, cure them under the UV light, then set the mood in my bathroom for our spa day at home. Starting off my Pamper routine with my hair because my hair definitely needs some TLC, and I'm using my favorite Detangler brush, which is the Easy Detangler brush, because you guys, it does such a good job without taking out a lot of my hair. So I was just so happy with the result. Look at that. Now I'm just steaming my hair to open up the cuticles and allow all of that moisture and nutrients to penetrate through my hair. To wash my hair, I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. I completely love this brand and trust them because they use natural ingredients that I have seen work for my hair. They revitalize my curls, make my hair feel soft and moisturized. So if you haven't checked them out, please do. I also have a full hair care routine on my channel, so definitely feel free to check that out. I'm also using a deep treatment because my hair needed some extra love today, you guys. While I let that sit in my hair, I am moving on to my shower routine. I'm starting off by exfoliating my body to get rid of that dead skin. I'm starting with this Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Scrub. You guys, this thing smells so good. My God. And I am just going to do that first before I move on to using my shower gel. I'm using the Champagne Toast Bath and Body Works shower gel, you guys, and a loofah to scrub down my body. I completely love this shower gel. It smells so amazing and makes me feel so relaxed. Instead of feminine wash, I use Dove, and I also use it to moisturize my legs so I can shave with this wonderful Comfort Glide shaving stick from Venus. I love the shaving stick. Now I'm setting the mood for my favorite part, which is the bubble bath. I am using the Dr. Teal's soap, and this is so amazing, you guys. This foaming bath made me feel like sleeping when I was done. It was so nourishing and so nice, and it has Epsom salt to help relax your muscles and just make you feel so relaxed and so good. Now I'm soaking my feet in this Pedi in the Box Tangerine Glow Sea Salt, and I'm using this amazing brush from the Radiance Spincare system by Duvolle. I don't know how I would do this at home routine without this brush, you guys. It has 4 different interchangeable heads, from this body brush attachment which I use to get rid of dead skin on my legs and on my body, to this pumice stone which I use to take out the tough skin underneath my feet. And oh my god, my feet were so soft after using this brush, you guys. I will show you the other heads later on in the video when I do my skincare routine. But yeah, now I'm just making sure that I got rid of all the dead skin on my feet, and now I'm just using a mask and letting that sit for a while. Then I use a hot towel, clean it up, and do a foot mask. Using the massage butter and baby oil to massage into my skin to bring back that moisture and to make my skin feel soft and smooth like a baby's bottom. Moving on to my hair care, I'm using this Curlsmith Style Balm to add some slip and softness to my hair and some moisture. And then I'm going in with my favorite gel, the Eco Styler gel, and this just makes my hair hold its curl a little bit longer. And I'm adding this anti-itch Gro oil. It promotes hair growth and it prevents my scalp from getting dry and itchy. If you guys aren't dancing and having fun during your skincare routine, you're absolutely doing it wrong, because it's just about feeling good, loving yourself, loving your body, and taking care of yourself. So please enjoy it. Now I'm just using Dove as my deodorant and Black Opium as my body lotion today. Don't you see this glow? And it smells so good. And to lock in that moisture, I'm using Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula all over my body. Moving on to skincare, I'm using the Laroche Gentle Cleanser to clean my face and the amazing brush that I was telling you guys about to exfoliate and get rid of all of that gunk in my skin. This battery-operated brush has a spinning head that helps to exfoliate the skin. It is not abrasive and it also water resistant. Using these Clean Skin Club disposable towels, they are so gentle on the face and you just get rid of them once you're done. Now I'm using the ordinary azelaic acid, which is good for brightening the skin and improving skin texture. This hyaluronic acid serum by Good Molecules draws moisture back into your skin for long-lasting hydration. This Pond's facial moisturizer is one of my favorites. It leaves my face super hydrated and moisturized. Then I go in with the Silk Peony Eye Cream by Tasha and my Chanel moisturizer for my lips. Now I'm adding one of my favorite fragrances by YSL called Libre, and I am just spraying that on. It smells so good and lasts so long. And what better way to end a Pamper day than with some pizza and a nice drink. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe.